Lonsdale. After 19 years, the original family-owned Snap Lonsdale franchise is for sale. Located in the busy Lonsdale Industrial Precinct. Surrounded by corporate companies, retailers, schools and businesses in the neighbouring suburbs stretching along the southern coast of Adelaide, Snap Lonsdale is ideally situated with many more clients in the picturesque McLaren Vale region, the home of many famous wineries. Snap Lonsdale operates 5 days a week from 9 to 5, and the existing staff are trained experts in their field, so no prior experience is required by the new owner. All equipment is owned by Snap Lonsdale, allowing the new owner to control the future direction of the business. The Snap Lonsdale territory is unique, servicing its clients with online print management facilities, a great variety of website solutions, and an extensive design service complemented by its in-house digital printer and large format print capabilities. The combination of products, services, skills and customer service creates a strong business for now and the future. The Snap Lonsdale franchise has won many state-based awards, built on the successes of its solid Snap business model, and the future holds an exciting opportunity for further growth and achievements. For more information on Snap Lonsdale, contact Paula Fisher on 1300 810 233.